Hey, this is Dave from Marzocco, and today we're learning about how to program the GS3 AV. All right, so to get into programming mode, we're going to hold down the function button for about 10 seconds until the lights illuminate. Once you're in your programming mode, you can actually tell which ones have been programmed and which ones have not. The ones that have not been programmed are the ones that are illuminated. So let's go ahead and actually pull a shot. I'm going to program the second button, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the second button. And to stop the shot, you're actually going to hit the second button again. This is great for the AV, is when you have a household and you have other people that are wanting to brew coffee, you can actually use this button and say, hey, just use 19 grams in, use the second button, and you're good to go. It's going to stop on its own after you program the shot. So at 36 grams, we can go ahead and shut it off by hitting the second button again, and now that button has been programmed. To exit programming mode, all you need to do is hit the function button one more time after clock adjust, and now you're back into normal standard operating mode. From here, to use this shot, all you have to do is hit the second button one more time, and it's going to go ahead and program your dose and pull the shot that you like. This is another simple and really easy way on how to use the GS3 AV, and that's another reason why I love this machine. Talk to you soon, guys.